eCooks, and today we're going to be making a box white cake. So we're going to need 4 white eggs, as you can see here. Then we're going to need 1/2 cup Great Value vegetable oil. Make sure it's exactly. And then we're going to need 1 1/4 of a bowl of water. Okay, so now that we opened the box, get the bag, cut it open, and then we're supposed to pour it in here. Make sure you get everything. Now after that, we're gonna need to combine the eggs. And if you're not that good at breaking eggshells, just remember, just a few light taps, and then you just put your fingers in and then crack it open. And then if you see any eggshells, you have the eggshell, and then the other eggshell, the giant one that you cracked, then you take it out the eggshell. I didn't get any. And then after that, we're gonna need to pour the vegetable oil. And after that, we're gonna have to put water in the bowl. And then get your whisk and then start mixing it. Make sure you mix it really good. And make sure you hold the bowl. It will start like this. That will start to happen. So make sure you hold the bowl. Okay, so after you're done, it should look like this. It should look like vanilla or pancake mix. So after you're done doing this, you grab oil and then you start spraying it. After you're done spraying it into your mold, you should pour this. And I'm gonna grab this dough, and you pour it inside the mold. Make sure it gets everywhere. I like to clean as I go, so I'm gonna throw this out, and put this right here. After you're done pouring the mix into the mold, you should it should be like this. It should look like this. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After you're done doing that, okay, so after you're done putting it into the mold, you preheat it to 350 degrees, and after that, you have to wait for it to be 39 minutes to 41 minutes. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna be back when it's ready. Okay, so after you're done putting it in the oven, it should look more like this. And since we're done with this, obviously a cake needs the frosting, which we got vanilla frosting. Okay, so I already put the frosting on, and it should look like this. Other people think it's really good, but I don't like cake.
in my opinion. And that's how you make a cake.